Dip the ice in melted dark chocolate. Chill for 30 minutes. Melt the sugar in the hot pan. Add a few cubes of butter. Pour in liquid cream. Cool the caramel in a bowl. Toast the peanuts in a dry pan. Mix the caramel with peanuts. Pour liquid cream into a bowl. Add powdered sugar. Mix a little. Add cream cheese. Mix into a firm cream. Divide the cream into 2 bowls. Break the milk chocolate into pieces. Melt in the microwave. Soak the gelatin in water. Melt in the microwave. Mix with chocolate. Mix the cream from 1 bowl with chocolate. For the sponge cake, you will need 3 eggs. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Add sugar. Mix well. While mixing continuously, pour in milk, vegetable oil. Put flour in a sieve. Add cocoa. Sift into the bowl. Add baking powder and mix the batter. Pour the batter into the pan lined with baking paper. Bake for 15 minutes. Cut out a circle from the sponge cake. Remove the ice from the chocolate mold. Add the caramel with peanuts. The chocolate cream. The white cream. Cover with sponge cake. Chill for 2 hours. You will love this spectacular cake with 2 creams, caramel flavor, and lots of chocolate from the first bite.